HH212 is a nearby star system about 1,300 light-years away in Orion. The central protostar, or forming star, in HH212 is only about 40,000 years old. This protostar provides material for a powerful jet. Previous searchers hinted at the existence of a small dusty disk near the protostar. Now, with the Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array, ELMA, with 25 times higher resolution, we detect and detail a dusty disk at submillimeter wavelength. The disk is nearly edge-on and has a radius of about 60 astronomical units. Interestingly, it shows a prominent dark lane sandwiched between two brighter features due to relatively low temperature and high optical depth near the disk midplane. The structure of the dark lane implies that the disk is flared, as expected in the accretion disk model.